this tutorial, we'll teach you how to repair a punctured tube. Single punctures are the easiest to repair. Burst tubes or pinch flats or multiple punctures, it's best to just replace the tire. You don't want to have too many patches on a single tube. To find the puncture, you want to attach your pump and inflate your tube to at least twice normal size. And you should easily be able to find the puncture when it's inflated that tight. Once you've found the puncture, take a marker and mark an X bigger than the size of your patch. Now in the patch kit comes instructions, an emery cloth, your tube cement, and an assortment of patches. Take your emery cloth or sandpaper and rough up the section of tube that is going to be patched. And if there's a ridge, this puncture happens to be along this ridge, so you'll want to get as much of that ridge off as possible so that the patch can have a better contact area with the tube. Once your tube is scoured, take your tube cement, open the seal, and apply enough to cover the space of the patch. Smooth it out with your finger. Make it as smooth as possible. Now the trick to patching a tube is for the compound cement to fully dry before you apply the patch. Okay, once the compound cement is fully dry, remove the foil backing from your patch and choose the patch, the smallest patch that will cover the hole completely. Remove the foil backing, being careful not to touch the adhesive side of the patch, and apply the patch over the hole in the tire. Press firmly from the center out, and I like to leave the plastic layer on because if you try to pull it off, you run the risk of pulling up a corner of your patch. And from there, reinstall it into your tire and inflate like normal. And the pressure between the tire casing and your tube will help to seal that patch.